In this video, we'll be looking at the citations general settings of the back office. If you click on settings, citations, general, it'll take you to this area. The first field here is the citation number format. This is the citation number that will be printed out on your citation and will also show up in the citation area of your back office. The format here is specified in many ways. This is the simplest format in which it will specify just the number that will be created for the citation. So for example, if I click on new citation, you'll see that it is just the number 59. Now if we want to add 0 padding to it, we can add X's. And you'll see I now have 6 X's here. And what this will do is it'll print the number with that many, with whatever number of zeros padding they need. So if it's a 2-digit number, then it will add the 4 zeros to fill this pattern. So if I save this and click new, you'll see that now it's padded. Now with multiple devices, you'll want to be able to distinguish between the different devices and their numbers, because some of them will all be on citation number 5 or 500 or 3000, and you don't want the same citation number going into the system. So we'll need a way to be able to distinguish between the different devices. And because of that, we do have a format for the prefix. Now this prefix number comes from your device area, and if you click on, for example, this system, you'll see that it says patrol is the prefix, and so whenever this device creates a citation, it will use this as the prefix. So you'll be able to see now if we save this, that now it has the prefix, the padding, and everything that it needs. Now, we do also have the option to be able to add information about the date as part of it. If you just want the year, you can specify this as the prefix of the format, date format, and then this is the second part after the colon is what actually gets printed out. So for this one, it will just be the year. If I save that. Yeah. So you'll see that we have 2016 as part of the citation number. I can also add the 2-digit month to it. And so now I have 2016-08. And that's the citation number format that can be created. If you need help with it, you can contact us and we'll be happy to help you with any format that you wish to have for your citation number. The edit timer is for the devices that will be issuing citations. What it does is it allows the officer to, once this citation is issued, to go back in and make any changes they need to. This comes in handy if they want to take a picture of the citation on the vehicle itself, and so this allows them to go back in, add additional photos, or if they've just made a clerical error, they can go back in and change it. The days to dispute is how long the violator has to dispute or appeal the citation. On the public side, there is a button that they're able to appeal. If the 5 days have passed, that button will no longer appear. In the back office, if a clerk tries to go in and select appeal, it will let them know that it's been past the days to dispute. For the notification area, this allows you to specify how many days that a citation can go without being paid until a notification will be sent out to the violator. The violations the notifications are issued here in this area, in the citation area, by clicking on the notifications. This will run a script that looks at how long it's been since the citation has not been paid. If it's 30 days or more and they haven't received a first notification, then it will print out, then it will create a PDF to be printed out that can be sent to the violator. The second notification is how many days after the first notification has been sent that the second notification form will be printed out or created on the PDF. This is done so that, because in many cases it's not always exactly 30 days, and if this was from the time that the citation was issued, it could be possible that you'd send out something after 40 days for the first notification and the second one 5 days later. But what you really are wanting is that 15 days after the first notification, the second citation is printed.